Hi, I'm Susie from Arc Sport and I'm just going to take you through a few simple exercises you can do here at Alumni Park. A staple in any gym is the chin up bar, which is great for giving your core, upper back and arms a great workout. To do the chin up, you want to have your hands facing towards you. When doing the chin up, you need to make sure that your body is nice and strong and stable, then slowly raise and lower yourself towards the bar, using only your arms and squeezing your shoulder blades together. To make the exercise easier, you can jump up towards the bar and slowly lower yourself down, or to make it harder, you can have your feet off the ground for the whole exercise. Pull-ups are quite similar to chin-ups, however during pull-ups, your hands are facing away from your body. Otherwise, they are quite a similar exercise and you can do the same variations that we talked about earlier, whereas you jump up and lower yourself eccentrically, or you can do regular pull-ups, where you keep your feet off the ground for the entire time.